Research doesn't have to be time-consuming. With Liner, you can save hours by streamlining your workflow. No more juggling countless tabs and losing track of important insights. Liner's web highlighter helps you stay organized by keeping everything in one place. To start using the highlighter, first download Liner's browser extension. You'll find the link in the description. Once you have the extension installed, you're ready to go. Whenever you come across an important sentence, simply drag and click. You can also add your thoughts. All your highlights are automatically saved, and you can directly manage them here. And sometimes the best insights come from videos. That's why Liner also lets you highlight key moments on YouTube. All your saved highlights and activities can be found in MySpace, where everything stays organized in one place. Liner's highlighter is loved by students and anyone who does in-depth research on the web. Here's how different users use this feature. 1. Chloe, a journalism student, uses Liner to highlight key insights from articles and videos. She organizes them in a project folder, making it easy to reference them later when writing her article. 2. Matthew, a software engineer, finds an article with valuable insights for his side project. He highlights the key information so he can quickly revisit it whenever he needs. Liner takes your research to the next level by giving you reliable information and transparent sources. Research smarter with Liner.